Prestige Rentals doing a walkthrough of a nice 4-bed, 2-bath in Brighton Center. You can see the layout there. Here's the front door. You have one small bedroom here. Okay. Another bedroom here. Really nice setup here. I like what they've done with the place. Take a look at the kitchen. I'll show you. Back here, they have another bathroom, which is great. There's another one right over there. Okay. And then the final one. Okay. All right. It's a little dark. Sorry about that. All righty.